Hi, Johnny from Express Spares, and today I'm going to change a front coil spring on a Renault Megane using the Gedore spring compressor, just so you can see how handy it is to do the work. So you can wind it in, we don't go all the way, just leave it a bit loose. The main things with it is that it's straight that way and that way. Broken coil spring. So we just replace whatever we need to replace. Let's just try and keep everything symmetrical. And then make sure you're lining up with the piston rod straight down as best as you can. Yep. Then you can line everything up just to get it kind of level. The other best way about this is if you look at the rod there from this angle, you can twist it backwards and forwards so you can line it up. There. Okay, once we're lined up, then we can just bring it all the way home. Just let it up. That's it. Job done.